Sumabay ba kayo?
Sumabay ba kayo?
That's Ray helping me clean up over here, man. Let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you, man. Sana, okay ba yung tunog? Medyo, okay ba? We'll figure it out. We got Ricky Tech up there fixing the sound, so it's gonna be good. All right. Everybody ready? We're gonna have a good night, right?